So we're on a hunt. Take my mask off. Okay, we're on a hunt for a specific beer. I'm here at Total Wine. I don't think it's here, but we're gonna look for it to see if they got it here. So they've got all sorts of different beers here. They have domestic beers, they have international beers, everything you can think of, craft beers, but they don't have the beer that I am looking for. We can't find it. Okay, so this trip all started about a month ago when I went over to my buddy Andrew's house. And so normally we get together every year to watch the Cowboys game. This year was a little bit different because of the pandemic. You know, we normally go to the stadium. This year we couldn't do that. And so we went over to his house and I said, "Hey, Andrew, do you have any good beer?" And he says,
"Why, yes, I do have the best beer."
So much to my surprise, he goes out to the refrigerator. He pulls out a beer, and it's a Yuengling. Now let me tell you, I am super excited that he is just now giving me a Yuengling beer. See, the only time I ever have a Yuengling is when I go to Disney because they don't sell it in the state of Texas. You can't get it here. It's only on the West Coast. And so normally when we go to Disney World on vacation, we're usually in the boardwalk. I have a beer, it's a Yuengling. I have my Yuengling beer, which is so good. Whenever I'm in Orlando, this is what I get because we don't get that in Dallas. So good. Anyways, so now I'm really super excited and I'm like, where did you get this beer? Did you go to the West Coast? And he came back and he said, "Oh, I went on vacation in Arkansas." I'm like, "Arkansas? Oh my goodness. Now we gotta go." So naturally, I said, "Hey, we gotta go to Arkansas now." So last minute trip, but we're headed to Arkansas. We're gonna drive 300 miles to go pick us some Yuengling. But before we get there, we're gonna make some stops along the way. So we're gonna bring you along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoy it. Give us a thumbs up down below. Here we go, on our way to Arkansas.
So where are we going, Joseph?
Well, apparently there is a see-through bathroom. We weren't planning this stop, but Marissa downloaded this app that shows a bunch of landmarks, and that's where we're headed.
Apparently, and we don't know because it's COVID, right? So we don't know if we're going to be able to access this. But on this app I found, it was only $2.99, and you can select regions in the U.S. and it'll tell you the most interesting, like, landmarks and what they are and all that stuff. And so it's America's first public bathroom, which I was like, what is that? And apparently from the pictures on the outside it looks like just mirrors, and on the inside the person going to the bathroom can see you. We have to see this. I just want to see it. So I don't know if you can use it or if it's open because of COVID, but it's down by the courthouse too, of all the things. I'm like, that's interesting. But it says it's open, so we'll go check it out and see what there is to see. If anything, it's really not that far off the road, so it'll be an adventure.
Alright, you guys go over there and watch.
So we are in the Sulphur Springs Square, so kind of like their downtown area. It's really cute. They have lots of coffee shops, restaurants, and once people are done using the bathrooms, we will show you why we stopped here, because people are actually using them. Which I am too.
Okay, so like Marissa said, we are in Sulphur Springs, Texas. It's a little bit outside Dallas, and you guys got to see this courthouse. Like, it's really cool looking. But the reason why we made this stop, it was totally impromptu. Weren't even planning to do this, but right back over there, There's 2 bathrooms. It's the only bathroom in America that has see-through walls. It sounds crazy, but we're gonna show you what it's like. Now you can't see, so you can't see from the inside. So from here, it just looks like there's a mirror all the way around. But when you go inside, you can see out. So it's gonna be really cool. All right, so Marissa's gonna go inside.
Okay.
So you guys wanna go with mommy?
Yeah.
Then you can see me inside.
Okay, you guys see out here?
Go inside
Oh,
and
hold
you
on.
can see
Here,
me.
Joseph. Shh. You missed the.
Yeah.
It was at the half of the. It must be a half hour.
All right, go inside.
Do you want to come in or no?
Go inside and look at Daddy.
Okay. Okay, hold on, Harrison.
All right. So Marissa's inside, Mommy's inside, and supposedly she can see us. So she can see us, but we can't see her. Mommy's inside going to the restroom. So I think the toilet's on this side and the sink is on this side. So you can probably come over here and see her. She's probably sitting right around there. Say hi to Mommy. Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm actually inside the other bathroom. So Marissa is over there, and I'm standing inside. So, I mean, it looks like a normal bathroom, and it's like you would have any other place. I mean, you got a sink, there's a toilet, and a handrail. I'm gonna be sure not to touch anything. We're gonna use sanitizer, so we're gonna be completely safe and sanitary, because of COVID, but it's also safe to do that. So we're gonna go to the restroom and we're gonna head out on the road again. All right, we just got through making a quick little pit stop. Now we're about to jump back on the road. We got a couple of more stops we're gonna show you guys before we get to Little Rock, but it's time to jump on the road. All right, thank you. All right, so our second stop of the day is here in Mount Pleasant, Texas. Yeah. And we are right outside Sweet Shops USA. So according to the internet, this is the largest handmade chocolate factory in the country. Now, right behind me over here, this building is about 80,000 square feet, and inside they make the chocolates all by hand. No machines. Never been in it, didn't know it was here, but we're gonna go check it out. We're probably gonna buy some sweets for the road. We got our mask on, about to go inside and see what kind of good, yummy goodies they got inside. Woo!
Each piece is handcrafted. Each piece is hand decorated by a decorator.
Nice.
So it's real special.
Where did they make it back there? Or
No.
back? Is it back there?
It's 80,000 square feet.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's big.
Oh wow.
Wow. I didn't...
It's several departments. That's shipping back that way.
Oh okay. All right, so we're just now leaving. They were so nice. They gave us a free piece of chocolate to sample before we bought everything. It was so cool. So we got some stuff for the road. Now we're gonna head on over to Texarkana to go eat. All right, Allie, see look, if you're on this side, you're in Texas. See this line right here? You can hop over here. Oh, I'm in Arkansas. You're in Texas. And I'm in Arkansas. Come on over to Arkansas. Oh! Look, Mommy's in a different state. We're in Arkansas. Look at this line. See this line? That's a state line. So now we're in Texas. Come on over. Oh! Now I'm in Arkansas. Nope, now I'm in Texas. Nope, I'm in Arkansas. See, look. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I know. Stay on this side. All right. That's it. Now we're in Arkansas, and now I'm in Texas. In Arkansas, now I'm in Texas. Now you're in Texas. All right, that's it. We made it to Arkansas, but we still got a little bit to go. We're gonna go to Little Rock. Stop. Wait. We're gonna go to Little Rock. We're gonna find some place to eat, but that's cool that you can hop back and forth.
Really cool.
That is cool.
Do not enter. Oh, Doubletree, this is our hotel.